Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman and I'm back with another video. So this is going to be my last video of 2021 in which I will be talking about my top 5 sneaker pickups of the year. Now as you can see over here, you can see this boxes stacked like a tree. So I did this sneaker Christmas tree kind of a thing for Christmas. I stacked all my boxes to make it look like a Christmas tree, and I haven't actually destroyed it yet because I really liked doing this, and I actually posted a picture of this on my Instagram channel as well. So if you haven't followed me over there, the username is over here. Do check it out. I do post a lot of pictures about sneakers and other sneaker content as well over there. I'll just remove this. This is empty. I'll just put it over here. And I have reviewed most of these sneakers as well. So if you want to check in detailed review videos, I'll put the link over here and down in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. Alright, now let's quickly start with the first one. The first one on the top here is this Nike red box. Now let me quickly open the box. So here are the sneakers. So these are Nike Dunk High Syracuse. A lot of people call them orange blaze as well as per the color scheme. So I bought the sneaker kind of the month of May this particular year, and these were actually a birthday pickup for me. I wanted a dunk for myself for a very long time, and I really like the orange color. I know a lot of people do not wear orange colored sneakers. I'm not sure why, but I honestly love this particular sneaker. I've been wanting to buy this particular sneaker for a very long time for myself, and I'm really happy that I did it this year. And honestly, I didn't pay a lot for them as well. I couldn't get these for retail. I paid I think 13,000 rupees for this, which I think was a great price because the prices have shot up, and these are going for around 20,000 rupees right now. Alright, now quickly getting on to the second one. So second sneaker is, as you can see, this is a Jumpman box. This is a Jordan 5 box. Let me quickly open the box. So here they are. So these are Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, and this was actually my first pickup of 2021. And again, I've been wanting to buy this particular sneaker, not just the model, not just Jordan 5, but this particular current Jordan 5 for a very long time. And actually, I was waiting when these particular sneakers would be retroed again, and I'm happy that I bought these sneakers. In fact, I got these sneakers for an amazing deal. The retail price of Jordan 5 is I think anywhere near 17,000 or 16,500 rupees, and I got lucky. I got these sneakers from a Nike outlet, and I got these for I think 11,000 rupees, which I think was an amazing price for such a killer shoe. I recently wore these sneakers to sneaker event. I posted a sneaker event video as well, so if you haven't checked it out, do check it out. It was an amazing event, and I'm really happy to be honest with this particular purchase in this year because I love white color sneakers, I love red color, and this particular sneaker looks great on feet. So yes, another great purchase of the year. Mint. Alright. Now let's quickly get on to the third one. So here it is. Now I haven't reviewed this particular sneaker yet, and the review will be coming out very soon. This is actually probably my second or my third purchase of this particular year, and the sneakers are Air Jordan 3 Cool Grays. And honestly, I've worn these sneakers just once so far, and I'm really happy with this particular sneaker purchase because I always felt that probably Jordans are not that comfortable. I mean, when I wear my Jordan ones, yes, they look amazing on feet, but somehow you have to compromise on the comfort. But this particular model, the Jordan 3 model, is damn comfortable. I love the feeling of this particular sneaker on my feet. My feet didn't hurt at all. They have got very good cushioning on them, and they actually look really nice. So this particular sneaker was a great purchase. Had to buy these for a retail because apparently they were kind of sold out, not too early, but they didn't go on discount as well. But yeah, I was really happy to get a grey color sneaker for myself because I only had like one grey color sneaker in my collection and I wanted to add a good one. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of people would have already guessed by looking at the box. So this is an Air Jordan 1 box, and a little different. This is a unique box because generally the Jordan 1 boxes come with red color, like the small one that I have. So this is a small keychain box of Jordan 1s. So as you can see, it's red color, but on this one they used yellow, and the reason for that is because of the shoe color. And the sneaker is Air Jordan 1 High Pollens. Now these are my first Air Jordan 1 High purchase, and I was so happy to finally buy a Jordan 1 High in my collection. I mean, I have been into sneakers for 3 years now, and being a sneakerhead, being into sneakers, somebody who looks at sneakers all the time, doesn't have a Jordan 1 is something which is kind of weird. I mean, I don't want to hype this too much, but yes, having a Jordan 1 is a must have in every sneakerhead's collection. And luckily, I got these for a retail. I won a raffle on Veg Non Veg, and that is honestly my first raffle win in the last 3 years. And I enter into raffles everywhere, like Super Kicks, Veg Non Veg, Nike website, Adidas for that matter. I never win. I never ever win. This is the only W that I've got on a sneaker raffle for myself, and I'm so happy for that. And the best part is that it was a Jordan 1 hype, and I really liked this particular color combination of yellow and black. Again, like orange, I know a lot of people do not wear yellow colored sneakers that much. Maybe some people do, but I think this yellow and black color combination is amazing, and I can actually style this up, with a lot of different outfits. Now, quickly getting on to the fifth one. Now, somehow I was not able to decide which should be my fifth favorite pickup of 2021, because honestly I bought a lot of different sneakers this year. Now, when I was making the list, I actually shortlisted a lot of sneakers from the pickup that I've done this year, and after these four, there were three different sneakers that I really liked. I wore them a lot this particular year, and somehow I was just not able to choose that which one should be the fifth particular pickup of the year. Honestly, for me, these three sneakers are kind of same when it comes to the wearability, when it comes to their utility. So I'll just show you those three sneakers, and you guys can let me know down in the comment section which you think is the best sneaker out of these three. I mean, these four are there for sure, but yeah, for those three sneakers, now I'm not sure where I place them in the tree. So I'm just quickly gonna hunt them down a bit. Alright, so here is the one. So these are Vans Skate High Comfy Cush. So damn happy to get these sneakers because they are so damn comfortable. They look great on feet, and honestly, it is not that difficult to style a burgundy color sneaker. In particular sneaker out of these three, where is it? Okay, so it's here. Yeah. So these are Puma RSX Reinventions, one sneaker that honestly I probably want the most in this particular year. Now, when I buy my sneakers, I do not wear one particular sneaker a lot, but this is such an amazing sneaker. This is so damn comfortable. It looks so great on feet and so easy to style up with all your outfits. Whenever I used to be confused, when I was going out or I just had to go for a quick drive or something, I used to be confused which sneaker should I wear. This sneaker used to come in my mind all the time. I mean, so far I have worn this particular sneaker everywhere. I went to Kashmir, I took the sneakers with me. I went to Nainital, I took the sneakers with me. To Jim Corbett, these sneakers. So I have worn this sneaker so much this particular year, and honestly I haven't reviewed these sneakers so far, which is kind of upsetting, but I do want to review these sneakers. I do want to recommend people that yes, Jordan's Dunks looks great on feet, no doubt about it, but Puma is doing such an amazing job with their RS line. I mean, I'm so happy that definitely I'm gonna get more Puma RSS for myself. Coming on to the third one. So the third one is here, I guess. Yeah, so this is the third particular one out of those three for my fifth spot, and the sneakers are New Balance 574s. And I have been talking about New Balance a lot lately on my channel, and the reason for that is this particular brand has done so well in 2021 that a lot of people have finally paid attention to New Balance. I mean, I personally have been wearing New Balance for the last 2 years, the same New Balance 574 model. This is the new one. I recently got this and I recently reviewed these as well. But yes, I have another 574 and I've been wearing that for the last 2 years, and I'm so satisfied with this particular model. This particular sneaker is great. They look so nice on feet. They are so damn comfortable. They are so lightweight. You can use these for runnings, for your gym, to play outside sports. This particular sneaker is, definitely one of my favorite sneakers of all time. Alright, so I will be wrapping up the video now, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. This year I've started my YouTube channel, and I have been getting a lot of love from a lot of people, and I'm so happy and so blessed that that people are liking the content that I'm creating. And some people out there who probably think that I can do better can do let me know. You can always do let me know in the comment section. You can DM me on Instagram, because I would love to get feedbacks on how I can improve my content, or if there is a topic that I haven't covered so far and you want me to, please do let me know, because I would love to make videos for everybody who are interested in sneakers or streetwear. I hope the new year brings a lot of joy for you and your family members, and I hope that everybody prosper in the new year. I know that we are still going through a pandemic and things are getting a little worse right now with Omicron variant, but I hope that everything gets well. I hope that everybody stay healthy and safe. And thank you so much once again for watching this video. If you liked it, do hit the thumbs up button. That really helps a lot. That really means a lot that people like my videos. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That would be the biggest help and biggest gift anybody can give me during this new year. So take care of yourself, take care of family members, and wish you and your family a happy new year.